Hi everyone, I am Sonali. Now we are going to discuss the sales body which is present in Odoo. After the Odoo setup, we need to install the sales module and this is how the sales which is visible in the dashboard, and upon clicking this sales, we will get this page here. There are some of the menus like orders, to invoice, products, reporting, configuration, and also inside this the submenus are also present like in this way. We shall go through this one by one. Here, this is a quotation page. We can also create the new quotation also, and we can also view the quotations which is already created by clicking on this. On the side, we will see the list view, convol view, calendar view, pivot view, and graph view, and the activity. First, we shall begin with the creation of a quotation. To create a new quotation, here we need to click on this new. Yes, after clicking on this new, everything the details we need to enter in this page. For example, here the customer, we can choose any customer. For example, I am choosing here the customer as Anita Oliver. Like upon choosing this Anita Oliver as a customer, like other what we can see, the details are need to be put inside this, like expiration date of this quotation, some of the payment terms if needed, and also the quotation date, some GST treatment also. Here expiration date I'll change to 11th, and payment terms. Here this payment terms, the drop down menu which is available here, we can also add some of the other payment terms too. We can also customize this payment terms. For example, by default here I am considering as a 21 days for this payment term which the quotation has been shared to the customer. And next here there is a notebook, like the section called as order lines here. In this order lines, we can add some of the products. Like for this quotation which is created here, we will add some of the products. By clicking on this add a product, here we will get some of the products. Not only these products, if we click on search board, we will get all the products which is already be created. For example, I am considering the acoustic block screen as a product here. Yes, and after here the confirm. Yes, the acoustic block screen has been added here. We can also add the quantity, like how much quantity, how much units we need. For example, if I click on this, I'll just put here as 20 units. The unit price has been calculated, and if needed, we can also add the taxes here, and the amount has been calculated here. And also we can add multiple products too by clicking on the same, that is add a product. Here I will choose the conference chair. After clicking on the conference chair, here I will get a wizard called as the configure your product. Here this is the product which I had chosen, and we can also add some additional products too here. In this option we will see in the next tab here. Let's click on confirm. Yes. Okay. Whatever the amount which is calculated for these two products has been showing up here as a 5933. Here there is another menu called as optional product. Here, while we are sending the quotation, we can also add some of the optional products too. Upon picking this optional product, here the same products, like for example, if I choose the large corner desk right side, this will show as an optional product for this quotation. And upon clicking on this quote builder, yes, this is the quote builder. like header and everything the about us will be present in this. This, if we click on the other information, the other information in this tab, we will see the information of the salesperson, the sales team, the company, and everything like delivery date. Here, in the shipping section also, we can add the delivery date. That in the tracking section also, we can add the like source document, campaign, medium source, and everything also. In this sales section, we can add the salesperson, the sales team, the company, online signature if needed, and if online payment is there, we can also include like the full amount should be paid as a online, or like half amount as a online and half by any way. We can also choose here, but by default here we have chosen the online payment of 100%. Next, customer reference also we can add here. Next, in the invoicing, some of the fiscal positions, project and invoicing journal. This we will see in the invoicing menu itself. Next, the customer signature is also present here. We can also add the sign by, sign on and the signature. In the signature, we can also add the image to here, the signature image. After entering all the details, here if we click on send by email, the wizard will open in this way. Like everything, the address and all will be present here. And whatever the one sample invoice will be created in this way, like it consists of whatever the quotation date, expiration date, salesperson, and the products details and the total amount here. It will consider this in it will be present in this invoice. And next, upon clicking continue, just a second. Yes, upon clicking continue, we will get through which the email address for whom we need to send for the customer. The customer email address will be shown, and also we can add the subject here. This is the format which is taken, and this is the PDF format. In the previous wizard which we had seen, this is the PDF format, and when upon clicking this send, here in this section, we will see the salesperson as a Mitchell admin. We have sent the quotation to the customer Anita Oliver. The sales order created. Here we will get in this sales order created. And the status of this quotation is changed from quotation to quotation sent. Next, upon confirming, after sending it through the email, upon confirming here, the status from quotation sent is changed to sales order. Like we have created one sale order for that customer for the particular products. And also here are some of the like buttons like create invoice, send by mail that we have already done here, preview and cancel. Here, if we want to cancel this quotation, we can use this cancel button. If we want to preview this quotation, upon clicking on this preview, we will just get the whatever the details of that customer as well as the same thing, the products and everything. Just a second. Yes, this is what the preview of the products and the customer, everything, and the salesperson also the same thing. Let's move back. Yes, the quotation which we have created here, if we want to read that quotation, we need to just navigate through like orders inside that quotations. Yes, This is the quotations which we have created for the customer Anita Oliver just now, and the status has been changed from quotation to sales order, which we have placed the order. In this way, we will create the quotation also. And if we want to view the quotation which is already created, we can also view that quotation by clicking on it. Everything, the details of that quotation we can see here.